So tomorrow, Bred 4 is released, man. This has been a highly anticipated shoe, obviously by the view count on some of these Bred 4 videos, man. Y'all, I know you really have wanted these. I'm sure you've seen so many reviews, you're to the point where it feels like you already have them, and tomorrow should be an easy cop, you know? Honestly, if you try to get them, it should be an easy cop. I kind of wanted to just break down the early link and just where to get these, man. Do not sleep on these. Let me know down below in the comments how many you're gonna get. This is a great time because I actually just completely reamped a sneakerlife.com, and it's solely gonna be focused on sneaker deals, different steals, and you know, early purchase links. I wanted to take kind of the hard work that you guys have to do, and you can just go directly to the site. The newest article I have up. So when you guys go to sneakerlife.com, make sneakers great again. How about we get some deals, no longer paying any crazy prices. We have shop, sneaker news. Now this is the updates, this is the article you guys can go to, and I'm gonna try to do this for every single release from now on. Air Jordan 4 Bred returns tomorrow, gives you a little bit of information, and these are all the early purchase links, just so you guys are prepared for tomorrow morning. And while we're at it, let's go into latest deals. Just some super steals that I'm adding to the site whenever I find them. So I just wanted to keep you guys updated. I also created the Twitter, and it's just gonna be giving you the deals, you know, sneaker containers, 135, bro, like good deals. Sneakers, these are now at like 140 or 123. I should probably update this article. Yeah, I wanted to kind of eliminate that foot traffic and make it a lot easier and give you guys a source that you could go directly to. So that is how you cop the Bred 4s tomorrow. Like I said, it should be an easy pickup for most people. Do not pay resale for these things, man. Trust me, you should be able to get them. No, I wouldn't be surprised if I go to the mall and there's a couple pairs sitting, because I think there's just so many pairs. It's just like the Cement 4s. I bought so many of those. Like, I'll put the link right here so you guys can check out that old vlog, but I bought so many of them, and this is exactly the same. This is the clean pair of shoes. Do not sleep on it, man. Like I said, I don't see resale being in it right now, but if you were to buy a bunch of pairs and just hold on to them and you had the money for that, they'll go up. Be sure to check out the site. I'll also put the links down below just to make it a little easier on you guys. Let me know what you think about the site and the whole concept. Is it something that you're interested in? There's a mailing list that you guys can subscribe to also that will email you the latest deals and, you know, just keep you updated. Good luck tomorrow. Again, let me know how many pairs you're gonna cop, and even if you cop them, come back to this video, let me know what you got. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.